cable, the magnetic cable. So this is the cable. This goes into the charger, right? And here we got this. This is is the lightning for the iPad, iPhone. So we put this cable here, plug it in here, and you leave it here. So you don't have to plug it and unplug it all the time. And then it connects like this. Huh? And also you have this one. This is one more lightning they gave me for free. I didn't know that this one has one actually. And this is the USB-C. USB-C is for my phone. USB-C connects right here, and you leave it here. You charge your iPad and you charge your phone, right? Let's try it. This one, leave it here. This one I think I'm gonna throw away. Anyway, this is the charger for the iPad. Plug it in here. Okay. Plug it in here. There it is. And now, let's see. You can check it out here if it charges or not. Let's see. Let me see actually like this. I put it the other way around. I have to put it this way. I'm so bad. And now, yes, charging, right? So you plug it in here, charged, see? Or plug it in here, and it's charging too. Right here. And you don't need anymore to put it in and out, because in time it's gonna break, you know. That's pretty much it.